WeHead from the startup Zero Distance is a cool device for 3D video calls that projects a person's presence into a conference. Well, not the whole person, just their head. This gadget has fancy HD display screens with a built-in camera and microphone to show your image and sound. Altogether, it copies the main parts of a conversation: how you speak and turn your head towards someone you're talking to. To make your 3D self at the conference, you connect your smartphone or tablet to WeHead, and then the device copies what you do in real time. AVAIR-DR is the world's first two-chamber wireless cardiac pacemaker with patented eye-to-eye communication technology that's already changing the way we see medicine. The electrode-free AVAIR-DR system is designed to treat abnormal or slow heart rhythms. Unlike regular pacemakers, these electrode-free devices are inserted directly into the heart through a nearly harmless procedure and don't require the use of heart electrodes or a pulse generator under the skin. This means the device reduces people's susceptibility to potential problems related to infections during surgery and ensures a shorter recovery time post-implantation. The pacemaker has already been approved and recommended for treating several chronic conditions, including fainting, pre-fainting conditions, fatigue, and disorientation. The new version of the human-like robot Optimus Gen 2 from Tesla is noticeably different from its previous model. It's 22 pounds lighter and 30% faster. The robot's movements now closely resemble human motions, especially its arms, which have 11 degrees of freedom and tactile sensors on all fingers. This combo makes it better at delicately handling things. Plus, it can squat and tilt its head just like a person. Soon, the company plans to use these androids in their factories. Airtrex has made a cool new foot scanner called Albert 3D Fit that helps find the right shoes in less than 10 seconds. How does it work? You stand on a special platform and in a few seconds, it makes a 3D model of your foot, figuring out the size with super accuracy, like 0.04 inches precise. Then it connects with online and offline stores to tell you where to buy the shoes that fit you best. What's neat is that it doesn't just consider your foot size, it also considers your style. It saves all this info in the cloud so you can use it later and even change stuff if needed. Sometimes all a robot needs for success is just one function. A great example of this is the Gita Mini, a small robot truck that carries your things. The robot consists of two big wheels, a central unit, and a computer vision system it uses to recognize its owner and follow them. Gita Mini can carry up to 20 pounds, traveling 21 miles at a speed of 6 miles per hour. For navigation, the robot uses many cameras and sensors, including radar. Just like a real pet, it can follow you anywhere and be quite helpful. The American company CalWave recently finished a 10-month test of its prototype underwater wave energy generator. The machine showed it works great and can handle storms while being totally independent. They tested it in the open ocean off the coast of San Diego. The platform generator was towed there and anchored underwater using a cable attached to the bottom. Originally, they planned the test for only 6 months. But halfway through, the scientists decided to extend it to 10 months because the initial results were good. That turned out to be a smart move. The setup worked without any problems 99% of the time without anyone interfering. It also shut off automatically during strong storms to keep itself safe. As for how much electricity it produced during the experiment, the company hasn't shared that info. The French startup ACWA Robotics has developed an autonomous snake-like robot called Clean Water Pathfinder. designed to inspect water supply systems from within without stopping the water flow. Its main job is to detect leaks and quickly inform repair crews. The robot is equipped with special sensors and high-resolution cameras to assess the extent of pipe damage. It can also add extra systems to measure pipe wall thickness, detect cracks, and identify areas of corrosion, creating a virtual map of underground utilities. The robot moves using mechanical legs with spikes that resemble fins and can inspect system at bends of up to 90 degrees. They plan to release the robot in 3 versions to inspect pipes ranging from 7.87 to 39.37 inches in diameter. Designers have turned the Lamborghini supercar into an abstraction. The concept of low resolution is about simplifying and refining any physical object to its maximum, compressing it like a file. That's exactly what they did with this fantastic car. The low-res body consists of 12 panels made of tinted polycarbonate. It has front and rear lights serving as headlights, and even United Nude logos at the front and rear that light up. A 5-kilowatt electric motor powers the rear wheels, while disc brakes are installed on the front wheels. By opening the door with remote control, you'll see fixed seats made of polished metal with ribbed black upholstery. The most interesting part of the interior is the chromed hexagonal steering wheel and polished dashboard with 2 digital displays. This conceptual car is up for sale, and the current bid stands at $45,000.